Thank you very much, everyone. I've kept my 646 number, so I'm really happy to be back here in New York. My name is Sean Epstein, and I am really privileged to be able to take this opportunity today to share with you for the first time SAP's Boardroom Foresight platform and our initiative around enabling best-run boards. When you think about what we do as an organization, we take volumes of information, we take the experiences of people and their intellectual horsepower, and we pull that together in order to help them make better decisions. At the end of the day, the question we want to ask you is, what is the value of making one better decision, or the value of making one less bad decision? When you think about corporate governance, it's been around for decades. Its principles and processes have been developed and evolving. And while the principles themselves still ring true, the processes themselves are being lapped by the speed of change. 4 quarterly meetings, 3 big board binders full of information that's 2 weeks old, and 1 offsite to talk about strategy? It seems a bit antiquated to me. So what I want to do is demonstrate our Boardroom Foresight platform. It's a next-generation visualization of how boards and management teams will work together, collaborate, and ultimately make better decisions. As a director, the first thing you're going to notice when you enter into Boardroom Foresight is that all the information I need about every one of the companies I sit on is here in one unified view. Provisioned and secured independently, yes, but for me, I can access everything I need at my fingertips. From here, I can collaborate with my peers in various ways, and I can also be alerted to upcoming events. For example, a March 15th board meeting there for Swift Apparel. From the street view, I enter the lobby, and as a good corporate citizen and director, I can actually prepare for an upcoming board meeting, or I can do a little bit of exploration or research. I notice immediately that something has been shared with me. It's actually from the CEO. Let's take a look. Bill, we have a decision to make regarding our emerging growth strategy. Thoughts? I noticed that Art has gone ahead and put the business case for Project Cheetah into his thought. Project Cheetah is actually an initiative for us to go upscale with our products using synthetic cotton in the emerging markets. We believe it'll help us take market share from some of our competitors. Now, while I think the business case is solid, internally prepared, and excellent, what I need to do as a director is to look outside the enterprise at the micro and macro factors that may indicate that this decision is good or bad. That's the guidance that I owe to the company and the shareholders. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually go back to the lobby, take a look at the board of director meeting materials that have been posted, and I notice we've got a lot of time dedicated to this discussion around emerging markets. That's good. I also notice that we've gone ahead and posted the business case in its most updated fashion so that all of the other directors can actually start to do their own review and bring their experiences to bear in that discussion. So what I'm going to do now is ground my thought, my recommendation back to Art based on this business case. I'll simply take the business case, go ahead and add it to my Cheetah evaluation, and continue my exploration. Now I've got a good deal of information here at my disposal around this strategy, and I want to take a look at our performance in ways that may help me identify whether this is really the opportunity. I'll take a look, for example, at the demographic information, one piece of which Art had already shared with me. I noticed clearly that in the emerging markets, we're selling to younger consumers. As I scroll through the reams of information that are at my disposal in real time, I recognize instantly that not only these are younger consumers, these are consumers because of the growth of the middle class that are going to have a lot more money in their pocket and probably be more fashion inclined. So here I see a really good, robust opportunity. I also notice, for example, that we're not doing so well against our competitors. And as Project Cheetah is all about taking back that market share, we've got to do something. So the pieces of information, like tiles on a Scrabble board, are reassembling in my mind, and they're helping me realize, based on my 40 years of experience, that yes, in fact, this is a good decision. Speed is of the essence. So I want to get right back to Art and help him understand that I believe fundamentally this is a good idea. As you can see here, I've reassembled my thoughts for the Cheetah evaluation in a way that presents the fact that I'm very bullish. I'm going to go ahead and share this item with Art, ensure that he knows that I think Art, go green light. And just like that, I'm fulfilling my responsibility as a director, both to management and to shareholders. We at SAP are fundamentally dedicated to becoming the most influential technology company in the boardroom. And the first way that we're going to do that is by enabling what we call best-run boards. Thanks very much.
Good job, man.
Thanks.